Duraflame Firelogs are designed for use in a properly vented open-hearth fireplace. Use a fireplace grate that has several supporting bars. Bar spacing greater than 3 inches does not provide adequate support and may result in firelog breakage, flare-up, and reduced burn time. Make sure the flue is open before lighting the fire. Without tearing the wrapper, carefully pull outward on the seam to loosen it from the log and create an airspace around the log. Place one firelog on the center of the grate with the arrows pointing down and the seam on the side of the log facing the room. Light the seam below the arrows. Only burn one firelog at a time and never add wood or any other materials to the firelog. Close the wire screen while burning. If your fireplace has glass doors, keep those open during the burn. A firelog is designed to burn without tending, so sit back, relax, and enjoy the cozy fire. For more information, visit duraflame.com.